Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of things to do today. We have to take what's in the box.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
And put it in the car. Because the car now has an MHD tune, an XHP tune, a charge pipe, and spark plugs. So, to turn it up, I think you all know what comes next. Okay, so in case you haven't guessed, we are upgrading the intercooler. So this is the old intercooler. There's really not much to it. There's two mounting bolts, one right there, one on the other side, and then two clips on the hoses, and then it just kind of comes out. Obviously you have to take the skid plate off underneath, and then that's our next project down there, the downpipe, which we're going to do in a couple of weeks. It's in the mail. So we'll see if we can get the intercooler out without too many swear words, and then we'll put the new one in. So old intercooler is out. You can see the size difference between the two. Thicker, taller metal end tanks. 15 years worth of dirt. And apparently my car has an appetite for butterflies.
What an odd thing to say.
So we shall call it the Butterfly Killer. We're not going to call it that. It's a stupid name for the car. We'll come up with a new name for the car because that's a stupid name. So, new intercooler going in. We'll see how long that takes. Okay, so new intercooler is in. Pipes connected with the clips. Again, there's only two mounting points there and there. So now it's just a matter of put the skid plate back on, button everything up, and go for a drive and hope there's no boost leaks. Power! Because that's not a fun thing, boost leaks. So it's been a couple days with the new intercooler installed. I've done some data logging, and there's a significant improvement in intake air temperatures. With the stock intercooler, the car used to go from about 35 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius with 1/3 or 4th gear pull, or maybe 2. Now it goes from 35 to about 43 or 44 after 3 or 4 pulls, and then cools back down to about 10 degrees above ambient.
Boring!
It's not as efficient as Gareth's intercooler. I think he has a CSF intercooler, which are about $1,000. So this one for 400, much better value. We'll see how it stands up on the track. I don't think it's going to be as efficient. I think it'll always be about 4 or 5 degrees above what the Beard's car reads, but for the streets, and now that we're coming into cooler temperatures, it'll be fine. If I find it can't keep up, then I'll look at upgrading in the future, but I thought for $400, let's give this a shot. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, all in all, data logs look pretty clean, no timing corrections, and we can push the car a little bit harder. Downpipe's going in next week, then we can turn it up some more, and then we'll really see what it can do. So that's all for now, guys. As always, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. Enjoy the weather. It's getting cooler.